100 degrees today. Now a big storm's coming in from Oregon. Thunder.
It looks nasty.
Yeah. Lightning. We're gathering our cans. That was empty today. There's thunder. There's some lightning. And the storm is on its way. Now I can't honestly say how much rain we're going to get, but they did say that we'll get some rain and maybe some hail. That wind, they're saying that wind will get up to 60 miles an hour. Seems to me like the wind just keeps getting worse. Used to be 25, 30. At the worst, we had 50. And now we have 50. I think we better go in, Ann. There is no fruit.
I thought you said you had fruit.
No. Looks like it's going to be pretty hard on my equipment shed, my blue shed. More lightning. I think I'm going to go inside. It ain't going to get any better for a while. I think this is that 60-mile-an-hour wind they're talking about. Very mixed up weather. This could go on for all night. Now I'm going in. Starting to rain. Took care of the chickens. I better go inside. See you later.